Hello, good day. My name is Kate S. Zalamea, and I am a licensed professional teacher with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. I've nearly built 7 years of experience working with international clients as a customer service representative, specializing in sales, technical and retention support, and also with healthcare advocacy. In my most recent role at Optum Global Solutions, I supported U.S. healthcare members and providers such as medical facilities and medical practitioners with their benefits and coverage. And I was also promoted as an advocate coach, account trainer, and also assistant manager apprentice or like team leader, where I trained new hires and led multiple teams. These experiences strengthen my leadership and communication skills. And I'm so excited about this opportunity because it aligns with my passion for customer experience management, leadership, and data management. And I look forward to contributing my expertise and dedication to your team. I am so excited to be a part of your company. Thank you so much again for this opportunity. See you.